Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the air conditioner relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the air conditioner relay, actually two of them guys, we'll explain where you can find them. Now, we'll demonstrate on this generation Dodge Charger here, and quick reminder, most people do not know that they have more than one fuse box, okay, and we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Charger. Check it out so you know where all your fuses are located guys. The first thing that you need to do, you need to open the hood facing the engine. On the left side here, that's the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So one relay will need to be checked guys, two relays, but one relay in that fuse box, one in another one. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If we guys zoom in a little bit here, starting on this side, we have relay 40, 41, 42, 43. That relay right here, that's the one guys that you will need to check. Now, then you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. And when you open the trunk, on the very back, pull that carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire. You guys have a car battery here, and next, behind it you have a fuse box. That's a fuse box here, that's a better angle. That's a car battery, that's the spare tire. Press this tab, open the cover, and you have that layout here. Specifically guys, here we need to check one relay, and that's relay 71, which will be that relay that you see guys right here. Very important relay, check all of those guys. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays. Put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.